Well, as we move towards summer, we're going to start getting towards the silly season, and why not start with a fun one? As of rumors going around that that guy right there, Max Anstey, may be racing for Star Racing Yamaha in 2025. Now, let's preface this by saying who knows how real this is. Obviously, it's a rumor, whatever. These things go around all the time. He is, I think, contractually obligated to uh, Firepower or Phoenix Honda until 2020 till the end of this year with the Australian um, Supercross Championship. So it could technically happen. It's kind of one of those funny things that like you never know. Obviously, with the win in Philadelphia, he looks good. I mean, obviously he's been very fast this year. He's been consistent like always, and it's one of those funny things like could it happen? Who knows? Will it happen? Who knows? Obviously, Star basically employs half the 250 field at this point, just pulling in people whenever they want. They've got the money to do it. So could they do it? Definitely. If they want him, they could probably throw a contract at him and he would have to say yes to because, big money and but it's also one of those funny things that he's also somebody who doesn't want to race outdoors, as far as I know. Like there was that interview he did, I think it was last year. He was saying Supercross is money and outdoors is hard work, so I'm not going to do it. And if you're in a 250 class, it's kind of a weird thing to get a Supercross only contract. Um, I don't know, but it's silly season. We're gonna hear these for months now of people signing here, re-signing there, the rumors of who's going where and what. And until something's actually penned to paper, you never know for certain. But this would be a fun one. Obviously, he's a fast, consistent guy, fan favorite, and if he gets on a bike that is of the star quality, let's be honest, the last few years they've been the pinnacle of this of the 250 side of things. But if he does, it could be a pretty good year for him. But I don't know. You guys tell me. One, do you care about rumors? Is it something fun to go down the rabbit hole for? Two, do you think it'll happen? Three, do you think you don't want him to go there? You say him Honda or move up, whatever it is. Comment down below what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.